Yo, told me she broke up with way too feminine. So many people told me like what's that one invested. Interested, sweet one built like she got a BB album, no lipo, it's natural fed on bro, no way I'll stop in the car.
What's good, y'all, man? We're back here with another video, and today we actually are already in the car. We're in the M2, as you can see by the seats. I linked up with Ant and I linked up with James right behind me. I know we kind of teleported, but that's because it's going to be a video of a lot of content, so y'all just stay tuned. We're heading out to a spot right now, the same spot from a few videos ago, but now we just have more people. We have a better idea of the spot, and now we can have some more fun. Just want to say thank you guys so much for all the recent support. It means so much. Like, you guys have no idea. It's actually crazy to me that I hit 800 subscribers, and that means that we're close and getting closer to 1,000 subscribers, man. So that's very, very exciting. That being said, we're probably just gonna go and teleport over to the spot, so I hope you guys enjoy that. And yeah, man. But real quick, we gotta hop on the highway, so I'm gonna go ahead and just get some good B-roll and maybe a little bit of content. If there's some content to be had, I'll have to see.
Who do I ask? Where do I go from here? What are you smoking? Ain't no average girl, my one top tier. What is it now? I stood on business and I made it clear. I'm over it now. You done all this to make me look weird. If it's you or me, that's T.
Newton, shout out them, bro. They need the sponsors for real and give us like a 30% off discount.
Oh, you wanna go close
Nah.
the door?
Oh yeah. Oh, that dude didn't close it. Crazy. We'll shut the door for them. Oh, baby. But yeah, man, we're about to go hit the back roads, hit that spot that we went to a few videos ago. So you guys just stay tuned, and yeah, I'm gonna definitely be feasting off the rest of my tires, man. 110%. Amazing vibes out here, bro. I love it out here. It's like such a good country slash farm vibe. Like, I don't know how to explain it. You don't even feel like you're in New Jersey. You're really close to PA, so it's kind of like PA, but it still has like a hint of Jersey. I don't know how to explain it. Like, look at all this farm shit, bro. Like, what the fuck? Like, I never see stuff like that over where I live, because it's just not farm enough. Like, there's some farms and shit. Hey, there's Ant's shop, though. Yeah. Yeah. He got to pass it on his day off. It's crazy. It's all good. It's Friday, though. He's off on a Friday. It's dope. I'll get to hang out, rip our cars, and enjoy, really just enjoy the cars that we all work for, bro. So that's really the most important thing. So with that being said, we're all blessed. I thought Ant was about to pass him. Yeah, that's the only thing. Up here, you get some slow drivers, but then you have like some fast drivers. So like, look at all the cornfields and shit, bro. Like, I don't even feel like I'm in New Jersey. Look, we got dotted lines in New Jersey. Like, that is crazy to me, bro. I'm sorry. Can't get over it every time I'm here. All right, you guys, we are pulling up to the spot. I just wanted to show you the bridge. Look at this bridge that we got to go on. We got James behind me, obviously. Just wanted to show you guys. Someone's doing a burnout on here, bro. I should show them up real quick. Do a quick little burnout for the one time. Bro, this thing spins so much now. It's so much fun. But bro, look at this spot, bro. It's crazy. Oh. You all right, bro?
Ah!
What's going on, man?
I think I shit myself.
Yo, look at the Grinch. That's got to be a new one. The Grinch is sick.
No scrape. Impressive, bruh. Impressive, bruh. Do a drift. Oh my god. Holy shit. That's nuts, bro. Alright, which way is he coming to get in this? Weird ass family and shit. I don't need to say weird. I don't need to say weird. That's me. Oh my god. Are you mad? That cock on that tree. Nah. Yo. Nah, there's two in camera. Yo, this is a crazy fucking angle. Look, we got Percy Jackson and shit. Look, we got Percy Jackson. And bro, look at this angle. Look at this angle. Bro, it has an exhaust, like it has like a
Hold on. You know, we got Drake's inside this bitch. So don't move wrong. You could lose your life inside this bitch. I got 2 phones. Cuddy hold me on my dick. Walk there with 2 poles. Even though he
Yeah. I don't blame you, yeah.
We're about to hop up on the back roads. We just schmucked a little bit, buddy. And yeah, now we're just vibing.
Alright, you guys, we are on the road, back roads. We have Ant, me, and James. We're gonna go get some food right now. So, yeah, y'all just stay tuned, man. Hope you guys enjoyed all the flybys and everything. That shit was a lot of fun. Oi! I just scraped like shit. Damn, it's beautiful out here, bro. What the fuck? Dang, look at the views, bro. Dang, and there's a plane right above us. What the fuck? Dang, this car is fucking crazy. I'll let Ant pass me on the next street. Damn, bro. Way too much fun, bro. Hey, Dusty's keeping up today. Let's go, bro. Bro, the turbos in this thing sound fucking crazy. It's amazing. Oh, I don't want to scrape. Oh, I don't want to scrape. Let's go, Dusty. He's fucking keeping up today, bro. Love to see it, bro. Be fearless, man. No cap. That's how you gotta live your life. Dang, look at that church. That shit is beautiful. What the fuck? Look at all those cobwebs. What the fuck? Damn, I'm gripping up now. Oh my god, I'm hitting this motherfucker. Oh, he's assaulting me. It's all the rocks from that back road, bro. Yo, Ant's car sounds so good. I can hear it from from my car. That's crazy. Pulled up right behind me, bro. Shit kind of tough. Lotus Mira or Evora. It's whatever one's the newer one, bro. Kind of tough. But I'd rather my my BMW, bro. No bull. For the money, this is probably just as good on the back roads and it's faster, so I don't care what people have to say. I know that's a supercharged V6, but as you guys see, my phone died. Unfortunate, but there wasn't really anything else that I was recording. I just picked up my food, which I got Chick-fil-A. Picked up a spicy chicken sandwich with french fries and a soda because I had to recharge my body. I was tired. Anyway, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. I'm gonna be linking back up with the boys today, so expect a video either on Wednesday or Friday. I'm not sure which day I'm gonna upload it because I have some other content to upload. So with that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Please make sure to hit the like button, the sub button. Let me know what you guys want to see down below. And as always, man, thank you guys so much for all the recent support. We just hit 810 subscribers. I can't believe it. And I'm just like, I'm really just, it motivates me more and more to just continue uploading because who doesn't want to see this content, man? This is good content. Make sure to hit that like button and make sure to comment as well. It pushes it on the algo, man. So let's grow this family and grow this community.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, nigga. Nobody asked you that a bitch ass thing. You better shut the fuck up before I knock your fucking head off your shoulders, old ugly ass bitch.
Twin say, when you butt that bitch, make sure you hit his face.